So today I have a treat for you. This video will be a wonderful review slash demo of the new Mented Cosmetics Make You Blush collection. So Mented Cosmetics is a Black owned company that has now released 4 new blushes just in time for summer. This blush collection launched on 6/21. Today is 6/23, so we're a couple of days late, but no matter, I will still let you know everything that I know about these blushes, and we will of course put at least one of them on our face. So if you're ready for that, keep on watching. This is what it says really quickly about the blushes. It says the blendable, buildable, and most importantly pigmented blush that will actually show up on your skin. Look forward to a product that goes on smooth, has long-lasting power, and gives you a touch of vitamin E to nourish the skin. You'll be everyday blushing in no time. And these blushes are vegan, cruelty-free, and made in Italy, okay? And they are $22 each. So let's start with what we traditionally think. Stop. All the blushes come in this very nice packaging. We love the sleekness. So they come in these nice little compacts. This is 7 grams or 0.2 ounces, which comes with a mirror, by the way. So the very first blush we have in the collection is called Pinky Promise. And this is described as a true pink with gold shimmer. Jaila not really a fan of pink blushes, but I had to show you anyways. The next blush that we have right here in the collection is called Peach for the Stars. And Peach for the Stars is a radiant peach. So described as radiant, which probably means that it has some type of like shimmer or sheen to it. So you could probably double this up as a highlighter and as a blush, which is really, really cute. We're gonna put her on this side, okay? Because we like her. We like the way she's looking. The next blush that we have right here in the collection is called Berried Away. Look at that color. Look at her. This is described as a bright berry slash burgundy color. We're gonna put her over here. And the last blush that we have in the collection, and this is also the deepest blush in the collection, Clay Too Much. And Clay Too Much is described as a muted red blush. So these are all the blushes swatched on my very long skeleton fingers. So now let's go ahead and choose a blush for me to wear. Which blush should I wear? Let me know in the comment section below. So I'm gonna give y'all a few seconds to comment. So I know what Jaila's not wearing is Pinky Promise. She's cute, but not today, okay? I also am not gonna go with Berried Away. I've worn her already and she's cute, but she's not giving what I need today. So it's either out of Peach for the Stars or Clay Too Much. You might have to go with Clay Too Much. My mom also whispered Clay Too Much. I'm going to take this Morphe Wi-Fi brush. It is clean. I just cleaned it, okay? And because I know that this is pigmented, I am only going to tap once into that thing. That's it. And I'm going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks and then bring it back into my bronzer. Ooh! Okay, she is pigmented. I see her right there. So she's giving us very subtle vibes right now. But I think I'm gonna tap into this one more again. We have applied Clay Too Much. So this is a side with blush. This is a side without blush. You can definitely see the difference. Okay. Absolutely no fallout, no kickback, very smooth. And I don't know about y'all, but Arnell Armand got me putting blush on my nose, so I'm also going to tap into this and add a little blush to the tip of my nose. Like everybody in my family can use this one blush. Like this isn't just like, oh, something that will work on my skin tone but won't work on anybody else's. We could all use this. So that is what we look like with Clay Too Much by Mented Cosmetics applied to our face. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. I will at least try to take a picture with all of these blushes so you can see how they look on me specifically. I'm about to take a picture right now with this one on. But again, if you haven't already watched my other Mented Cosmetics review, go ahead and do so. Thank you so much to Mented Cosmetics for sending me over these blushes. I absolutely love them, and I think y'all will love them as well. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We are on a journey to 10K. Also, like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. I said I'm recording one more time. Everybody just start talking. You see what I gotta do to demand respect in this house? Y'all let me know when y'all ready.